Chapter 12. The Moon. New words. 1. Telescope. 2. Craters. 3. Satellite. 4. Gravity. 5. Crescent. 6. Gibbous. 7. Apollo 11. 8. Partial. 9. Eclipse. 10. Sputnik 1. 11. Aryabhata. 12. INSAT 3DR. 13. Navigational. 14. AstroSat. 15. Neil Armstrong. Looking back 1. 1. Do you think you can walk on the moon as you do on the earth? Answer. No, we cannot walk on the moon as we do on earth, as the force of gravity is very less on moon. 2. What will your weight to be on moon if you weight 42 kg on the earth? Answer. Weight on earth equal to 42 kg. Weight on moon equal to 1 by 6 into weight of an object on earth equal to 1 by 6 into 42 kg equal to 7 kg. Looking back to 1. Explain the terms new moon, crescent moon, gibbous moon and full moon. Answer. New moon. It is the phase of the moon in which the side facing us gets no sunlight at all and we cannot see the moon. Crescent moon. A small portion of the moon's side facing us gets sunlight and we can see the crescent moon. Gibbous moon. 3/4 of the moon's side facing us gets the sunlight and we can see the gibbous moon. Full moon. The entire side of the moon facing us gets the sunlight and we can see the full moon. 2. During a solar eclipse, if you see a part of the sun, is it a partial eclipse or a total eclipse? Answer. During a solar eclipse, if only a part of the sun is visible to us, then we see a partial solar eclipse. Exercises. A. Multiple choice questions. 1. Roughly, how far is the moon from the earth? A. 284,400 km. B. 38,400 km. C. 3,840,400 km. D. 384,400 km. Answer is D. 384,400 km. 2. Which of these is not found on the moon? A. Mountain. B. Sunlight. C. Lake. D. Crater. Answer is C. Lake. 3. In which of the following phases is the moon not visible at all? A. New moon. B. Crescent moon. C. Gibbous moon. D. Full moon. Answer is A. New moon. 4. What happens during a solar eclipse? A. The sun comes between the moon and the earth. B. The earth comes between the sun and the moon. C. The moon comes between the sun and the earth. D. None of these. Answer is C. The moon comes between the sun and the earth. 5. The first manned spacecraft to reach the moon was Apollo 11. B. Mark tick for true and cross for false statements. 1. The moon is the largest object in the solar system. Cross. 2. The moon is the closest heavenly body to us in the sky. Tick. 3. There is no rainfall on the moon. Tick. 4. The time taken from one new moon to the next is about 28 days. Tick. 5. When a solar eclipse occurs, it can be seen from all places on the earth. Cross. C. Unscramble the letters to form words. 1. We see them on the moon. Craters. 2. It helps us see things that are far away. Telescope. 3. It goes around a planet. Satellite. 4. It is the phase when you see less than half of the moon. Crescent. 5. It is the phase when you see more than half of the moon? Give us. 6. This is caused by the shadow of the earth or moon. Eclipse. D. Define the following terms. 1. New moon. It is the phase of the moon in which the side facing us gets no sunlight at all and we cannot see the moon. 2. Full moon. The entire side of the moon facing us gets the sunlight and we can see the full moon. 3. Artificial satellite. The satellites built by humans and sent to space by rockets are known as artificial satellite. Sputnik 1 was the world's first artificial satellite. E. Answer the following questions. 1. How does the moon shine even though it does not have light of its own? Answer. The moon shines even though it does not have its own light because it reflects the light of the sun falling on it. 2. Describe the surface of the moon. Answer. The surface of the moon is covered with a layer of dust. It has mountains and huge round pits called craters. There is no water on its surface. 3. Why is there no rain on the moon? Answer. There is no rain on the moon as the moon does not have any atmosphere. There is no wind, no clouds, and hence no rain. 4. A. Does the moon actually change its shape every night? Answer. No, the moon does not change its shape every night. B. Why do you see different shapes of moon every night from the earth? Answer. Due to the revolution of the moon around the earth, we can see different shapes of the moon every night from the earth. We only see that part of the moon that reflects the sunlight to us. 5. In your notebook, draw a level diagram of the formation of a solar eclipse. When the moon comes between sun and earth, it becomes the solar eclipse. 6. Explain how a lunar eclipse occurs. Answer. Lunar eclipse occurs when the earth comes between the sun and the moon and the shadow of the earth falls on the moon. When the shadow covers the moon fully, we call it total lunar eclipse. When the moon is covered partially, we call it partial lunar eclipse. 7. Mention 2 ways in which artificial satellites are useful to us. Answer. Artificial satellites can be used in the following ways. 1. Weather satellite. These satellites can be used for weather forecasts to study the atmospheric conditions. 2. Communication satellites. These satellites relay television and radio programs. They are used for sending signals to far-off places. Higher order thinking skills. 1. Can you live on the moon? Why or why not? Answer. We cannot live on the moon because there is no atmosphere, so no rain, no water, and extreme climatic conditions. 2. The earth is also a satellite. Can you say whose satellite it is? Answer. Yes, the earth is the satellite of the sun.